Good morning, students. These days we are doing model test paper, and in model test paper section A and B we have solved, and today it is the turn of section C, and section C is your grammar section. In this section you have three types of question. The first question is your editing, means error finding. Second is your sentence rearranging, and the third one is your topics, the questions that are based on the topic of the grammar that are in your syllabus now. So let us see the first question, means editing, error finding. One passage has been given to you and there is one mistake in every line. So you have to underline the mistake and then you have to write the correction and the error, both the things in the space provided. What is the error, that you also write, and what is the correction, both the things you have to write in the space provided. And in the same way you have to solve in the exam also, that error and correction. So let us see, let us read the first one. I was working in a store that sold handbags and luggage while a woman came in for return a purse she has purchased a few days early. The store policy was not to take return of used goods, but a woman assured that the item is still brand new. So this is the passage, and see this side, error and correction. Two words has been written, error and correction. So you write all the error in this left side and all the correction right side in your notebook. You will make the sentences like that, the words. Then you see, I have solved it for you. See, the error and correction are written here. Work, working, while, where, for, to, has, had, early, before, use, used, a, the, is, was. These are the correction in every line. 8 lines are there and 8 correction and error are here. I was work in a store that sold. So I was working in a store. See the answer, work, working. Error is work and the answer is working. So in this line, I was working in a store that sold handbags and luggages while is wrong and the answer is where. While, where. Woman came in for return came in to return a purse she had purchased a few days early. The store policy was not to take return of used goods, but the woman assured that the item is still brand new. The item was still brand new. So error and correction, see, they both are here and you have to write them in the space provided. The space is given here. So you can do them. Now see the next question. That is your sentence rearranging. The words has been given to you and you have to arrange them to make meaningful sentences. So I have arranged for you so that you can do them. Number 1. This is the refrain children hear during their summer holidays. Second, one cannot play in the sun since things are worse in summer. C part, children are condemned indoor with a lot of time to rest on their hands. This is what worries parents. Parents don't allow children to play outside. So these are the sentences that has been made for you people. Now see, this is your next question. It is from the tenses. So topic tenses is there, and today I have selected the sentences of present continuous tense. You know very well, in present continuous it is, am, are plus ing form of the verb, or you can see the present participle form of the verb. And see the first one, the clouds are thundering, the boy is whistling, the policemen are running, the doctor is examining, the peon is ringing the bell. So it is your present continuous tense. And the next one is your synonym. See, the synonym is there and the sentence is there also, but you have to write the synonym only. So the first one is betterment, and the answer is improvement. Betterment, improvement. Then the next one is bogus, it is false. Capable, competent. Cheaply, primarily or mainly. Sight, good, clever, intelligent. So you have to write this section C in your English too, and you will submit the PDF to me. So please complete the work and send to me. I shall be waiting for the work. So it is your section C. Do it.